Hi, I will show you how to fold this wrench out of a dollar bill, for example as a creative cash gift for your dad's birthday, for Father's Day, or as unique tip for a great handyman. At first, we lay our dollar in front of us like this. Then, we fold the long edge onto the long edge. Always tighten all the folded edges well with your fingernails to get a really beautiful cash gift in the end. With this fold, we created a guideline in the middle of the dollar bill. We reopen it and fold this long edge to the newly created guideline. When we have finished this, we'll repeat the same fold with the other long edge. For this, I turn the dollar around like this. If you like such tutorials without personal chatter and music, please tell YouTube by giving this tutorial a thumbs up. Thank you. And now we again fold the lower long edge to the center line of the bill. As you probably already guessed, we repeat the same fold with the other long edge. These last two folds helped us create two long guidelines, which we will need later for the handle of the wrench. But first we reopen them. Next, we fold this corner to this edge to create a little triangle. After this is done, we repeat the same fold with the other edge. Your dollar bill should now look like mine. Next, we fold this long part along this edge of the two triangles upwards. With this fold, we create a diagonal auxiliary line that we'll need in a moment. Before that, we repeat the same fold downwards to create a second auxiliary line. So reopen this fold. And now grab this long part again and fold it along the two triangles downwards. If my explanations are ever too fast or too slow for you, feel free to change the playback speed at any time using the gear icon in the bottom of the YouTube player. And if you have a real keyboard in front of you, you can pause the tutorial by pressing the spacebar. Reopen the fold again. Now the two auxiliary lines look like a cross. We put our finger in the middle of it and now look at this V shape. We open the two triangles and then the whole top of the dollar along the V shape that our diagonal auxiliary lines form, like the collar of a shirt. This causes the upper edge to stand upwards. And now we fold the upward standing part down so that the two edges align. Your dollar bill should now look like a hammer with a really small hammer head. I have to correct my folding a bit so that the two edges really align. This is the only difficult part. Hang on, it's worth it. Okay, now it looks good, and we'll repeat the same folds on the other side of the bill. For the third triangle, fold this tip to the long edge in the middle, like we did on the other side for the first two triangles. Then we repeat the same with this tip for the fourth triangle. As you probably already guessed, we need to create another pair of diagonal auxiliary lines. For the first one, we grab the long part of the dollar and fold it along the edges of the two triangles upwards. Reopen the fold. And then we fold the long part along the edges of the two triangles downwards. Here is our cross again. Hold the middle of it with your finger, open the two triangles, and then open the top of the dollar along the two diagonal auxiliary lines like a collar. Now we fold the raised piece down again so that the two edges lie on top of each other. Your dollar bill should now look like this. And now we turn it around. Next, we fold this edge to this partly hidden edge. And now we repeat the same on the other side of the dollar. When your dollar also looks like this, turn it back on the other side. Now we make the handle of the wrench thinner by folding this long edge to the edge in the middle. Start in the middle and slide your finger as far outwards as possible. At the end, of course, you can't go any further and you have to fold the bill diagonally, like if you wanted to fold a triangle. And the same in the other direction. You'll see it again on the other side. So, turn the dollar in front of you like this. And now fold the middle of this edge to the middle of this edge. From the middle, you slide your finger to the edge of the wrench head and make a diagonal fold, like for a triangle. Remember that you can slow the video down at any time by clicking the gear icon in the YouTube player. Now we just need to finish the two wrench heads. Turn your dollar in front of you like this. And now we just fold this part upwards. Make the fold on the outer edge of the wrench handle. We repeat the same fold on this side. Last but not least, we make the same two folds on the second wrench head, and then you have folded an origami wrench out of a dollar bill. Congratulations! To make your cash gift look really nice, I would recommend smoothing out all the folds with your fingernails and then placing a heavy book on top of it overnight. After that, I wish you lots of fun giving away this creative money gift. Please write me in the comments to whom you'll be giving this dollar origami wrench. I think this could be a perfect cash gift for Father's Day or my dad's birthday. What do you think? Whatever your reason for folding this cash gift is, if you're interested in more money origami tutorials, then please subscribe to my channel for free. See you next time on Folding with Yvonne.